So let's take this look and turn it into almost like a ponytail going all the way down. These little pieces are going to lay on top. I'm going to section out the longer outside edges. Smooth the underneath. We have these ends just lifted up a little bit. Take this outside edge, this outside edge, bring them together. Flip it over just like we did in this area. And pull. Beautiful curl, just gives it so much movement and volume. Beautiful. We could take I think I'll leave the long one underneath and I'll take the shorter one and just bring it through. It's going to sit right over that elastic. Down these ends, and that was super easy.